No military checkpoint in Biafra land. The only people wey go dey use gun na only men on ground. Anybody else wey dey use gun, any military checkpoint wey you see, kill them all and bury their land. Kill them all and destroy their land. No mercy for anybody.
I think this time around Biafra Liberation Army and the ESN, they are not smiling because a lot is about to happen, and Nigeria police, Nigeria soldiers, DSS and other security forces, they will collect wetin no good in Biafra land. If they don't want to live by peace, they will live by fire by force. So my fellow Biafrans, this is a good news to all Biafrans. So just take 1 minute of your time and listen to this our brother that people are seeing on my screen and see how he explained everything that Nigeria soldier, Nigeria police and other security forces in Biafra land need to do right now, because he said that Biafra Liberation Army are going to bury them alive. So I will not talk everything here, but just watch this video. After watching this video, drop your opinion in the comment section and don't forget to share so that other people can be able to watch this video. It is very, very important to share this video and also watch this video so that you will not make a mistake for what you don't know. One love.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depend your location. Igbo Bibo, man. Now listen and listen very careful. No matter how suya take you sweet reach, aboki man no fit open by 7 o'clock. Na kada woman time be that. Calm down, your own time dey come. No military checkpoint in Biafra land. The only people wey go dey use gun na only men on ground. Anybody else wey dey use gun, any military checkpoint wey you see, kill them all and bury their land. Kill them all and destroy their land. No mercy for anybody. Many of una dey see this video now wey dey trend online, but na no understand wetin dey happen. Aro Bute aka O Million. O Million catch this policeman now with his squad. They catch this policeman wey dey see so now. Now they question this policeman. The man they talk pupu yaka. The man they propaganda. The man they talk krikri pakata. Now they want O Million they ask some question whether he even know who be O Million. See the man face don't change because the man don't know say don't see people wey in jam no be ordinary people. People wey in jam. Oga, if you don't know people wey in jam, I tell you. People wey jam na be Eastern Security Network, na be ESN. You dey hear me? People wey go nakala, you no go enter. People wey be say go nakala, as bullet dey come, like the bullet go from here, they go another side. Na be people wey jam. Na mami water, they big pass mami water for information. Na ghost, na jam. Immortal, half human, half spirit. Na be that. If you don't know me, you know. Fine boy, no pimple. O Million may be longer than Methuselah. Now this video dey trend now. O Million now come out now, see this man now with him people. They jam the man. They come they question the man. The man say be policeman. Now they want free this man now. O Million say make they free him. Say make him go. Say make him go. You no kill him, but you no fire him. He say make the man do it. Make the man go. Say make him boy self. You dey speak am for your Igbo language. Say make him boy whether they go use bike or be motor, carry the guy, make they go drop am where they see him. Oga, first of all, Commission of Police, first of all, make a ask una and make una warn una boys. If na una now we catch this boy, now we catch boys now, or we catch any young boy now, for this time now, for this community or for another place, una no go leave that boy. Una no dey gree, police people no dey gree make Benin boys dey drink water drop cup. No be only Benin boys, Delta boys, Imo State boys. Una no dey gree make they drink water drop cup. We go run for this country. I no compression. See, make I yarn una, make una listen and listen very careful. This time around, now we need to dey careful. Now go need to dey careful. Now go need to dey careful. Papa Jimmy, scratch my back, make I scratch your back. All these things they want like they do, now go see person picking 100,000, all these tiger bait, they no go bail you. All these udogachi, they no go bail you. How many people where they see this period now? Where they see I'm online, police people, they go to disturb people. They go see for road, they go hold you, say be Yahoo boy. Now see I'm like, oh, a million, they don't free this idiot, this mugu, this otondo. When he rich now, it all when go resign, you go they make math. Oga, thank your God though. They thank your God. They thank your God, say person where you jam. A man in the go church. Don't they thank your God. Say person where you jam, in the go church. He never jam or he don't they thank your God, sha. Say no, they in a bad mood. Even though they're in a bad mood, you know they keep person where hand they need. And you know they steal. In hand they okay. That make the gods of the land go the protector. They go the guide them from morning till night. God of Biafra know they sleep. God of Biafra, our ancestors know they sleep. We know they worship God where they for heaven. We don't know waiting be God. Oyibo people they carry come, say God. We don't know God. Now our ancestors, now we they worship. Is they alive? Is they alive? Is they active past transformer? Is they Jonkoto? Guys, I beg, as they watch the video, they share them. Drop your own opinion in the comment section. Watch the video first.
Guys. Alright, so guys, a quick one. Now from this particular article, let's say write-up that is trending on the media, a supposed statement that was released by the wife of Nnamdi Kanu. So according to her, in this write-up, she was trying to say that Nnamdi Kanu declines transfer from Sokoto prison after court rejection. Wife clarifies sequences of events. So from this particular press or statements or write-up from the legal counsel, from the handle of any of his legal counsel. So that is why I may not take it as serious as it is flying on social media. So but can go way for what the article is really all about. The article said Nnamdi Kanu declines transfer from Sokoto prison after court rejection. Wife clarifies sequences of events. Nnamdi Kanu, the imprisoned leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has declined to be transferred from Sokoto Correctional Center to Abuja, according to a detailed statement released on 29 July 2026 by his wife, Uchechi Anyanwu Kanu. The development follows an earlier court application in which Kanu sought to be moved from the facility in Sokoto, more than 700 kilometers from Abuja. The application was heard before Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court on 8 December 2025. The judge refused the ex parte application, ruling that such an order could not be granted without first hearing from the federal government. The matter later returned to court, where the application was ultimately struck out after counsel from the Legal Aid Council sought to withdraw from the case. Court-appointed Legal Aid Council had been provided. Kanu thereafter represented himself. In her statements, Oku Kanu said she had consistently advocated for her husband's transfer from Sokoto since the earliest days of his detention there. My concern was never political, it was humanitarian, legal, and practical. She wrote, the long distance, she explained, made families visit, legal consultation, and access to his case files unnecessarily difficult. While she pursued diplomatic and consular channels, including engagement with the UK Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office, FCDO, Kanu independently filed his own application at the Federal High Court seeking relocation to Abuja to better prepare and file aspects of his defense. After the court's refusal on 8 December 2025, she continued pressing official channels and later received confirmation from the FCDO case handler that arrangements for the transfer had been made. At the point, she was informed that her husband had declined to be moved following her insistence on an explanation. It was relayed to her that Kanu believed the earlier rejection of his court application had been manipulated from his perspective. There had been no legitimate reason for the court to refuse the request. He therefore chose to remain in Sokoto, preferring that if he eventually regains his freedom, he would go directly home from there rather than accept a transfer obtained through a different process. Oku Kanu emphasized that their own position never changed from day one. I believe that transferring him to Abuja was in his best interest for his safety, his welfare, his access to legal representation, and his family's ability to visit him. I pursued that objective consistently until I was informed that he had chosen otherwise. She stated that the purpose of her public clarification was to address months of speculation surrounding the issue. Looking ahead, she announced that the next campaign would focus on securing Kanu's release and return home. Addressing supporters, she wrote Biafrans, this is the time to prove that IPOB is one family. You all did it when I started. They freed Nnamdi Kanu petition while those who love him with their lips were not found. Today, there is a subsequent activity and I implore you all to join. So this was the write-up now fly. Even I saw it on Igbere TV handle on Facebook. They posted so many blogs, posted the write-up. So according to her, that Nnamdi Kanu rejected being transferred from Sokoto to Abuja when she was working to make that possible. And I was trying to, connect the dots together. Anyways, I'm not going to take this statement serious because in Weibo, any legal counsel from Nnamdi Kanu that has posted this particular write-up, and anything that is not coming from them, I'm not taking it serious because you can't be with those Nnamdi Kanu circle. Now be an issue statement on behalf of Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, he has stated that he's no longer working or, having anything to do with Chike, the ZM government and whatsoever government. He has appointed the 4th administration of IPOB and you are not in line or working with them. So issuing this kind of statements is not really relevant. Whether he's moved from Sokoto to Abuja or moved from Sokoto to Lagos, all this doesn't matter. What matters to Ndibo now is his freedom, his well-being. That's just what matters. So I don't want to go deep into this write-up because Obuho an official statement. Obuho an official statement, I know where to see it, at least in Singapore, now the handle of Barrister Lloyd Jimako or the official handle of the 4th administration of DOS. So this is currently what I saw trending on the media, and I say let me air my own opinion. So I'll leave you guys to watch these other videos. I don't want to say more. Share with us after watching a cover to start the video. And yours always Surai with fear. See you guys. Enjoy the rest of the videos. I'll be right back.
I've always said about this Nnamdi Kanu matter is that we have always called for a political solution. Because if you have put Nnamdi Kanu in jail as they have put him now, I don't know other people that have said terrible things. And like I've always said, there are many parts I don't agree with what Nnamdi Kanu said. But I didn't know other people that have said terrible things in this country in support of people killing others. I didn't know other people. It's the unfairness and lack of balance that scares me about this country. It's the unfairness and lack of balance. There are other people too that have said other things. But those people can never be called for question in Oji. There are some people that are bigger than the state. With the level of things they have said, they can never be called for questioning. They can never be called for questioning. They can say anything and go scot-free. They can advocate for bandits.
And that's the injustice Nigerians are calling out.
They can advocate for bandits and nothing, I repeat, nothing will happen to them. So that's the level of injustice we are talking about.
All right. Well,
secondly, for those that are saying America should face their own and everything, you to stop collecting their aid. It's now you remember you're a sovereign nation. Sovereign nation, but you are collecting, how much is the aid money? America is getting close to $1 billion. But now you remember you are a sovereign nation, but you are collecting their close to $1 billion. When you show off with the contract and say, oh, USAID provided, USAID provided scholarship, USAID provided this, in the you don't know it's other people's taxpayers' money. So stop collecting. Maybe when they withdrew the aid recently, people were, no, now, it's the poor people that will suffer. Is it America that should be feeding your poor people?
Let's be honest about everything. If this insecurity were being caused by a group of disgruntled Fulani businessmen, you can understand. If this insecurity were being caused by a group of, say, very retarded Fulani politicians, of which there are many of them, I can understand. But insecurity is being caused by the government itself, the APC government. Our brother said it here, and you think he's lying. The people that they get, do you know where they said that in front of Sheikh Gumi, Abubakar Gumi? He went to the forest to go and meet the bandits, and the bandits told him it was the government that gave us the guns. We don't know what guns are until they gave it to us. That's why I asked you, if they're coming all the way from Mali and from Niger, how did they cross the border with guns?
Okay, now, this man is in jail, live imprisonment. Why is he in jail today? Because he's a terrorist. This is the answer from Ariwa, us from northern people. He's a terrorist. This man is a terrorist. Why do we call him a terrorist? We Ariwa people, this is what they told us is a terrorist. Many of us have no education on this matter, have no any ideas in this issue. But he only declared as a terrorist from the northern Nigeria. All Ariwa people know this. If there is a person who is coming to defend Ariwa people, that no one is calling this man a terrorist, should come and challenge Prince Arana. We all call him a terrorist. Now, this man have been talking about banditry, insecurity, Boko Haram. Sheikh Gumi have been negotiating with bandits. And the bandits have told all the people, all Nigerian people, that this government that give them ammunition, guns. We Arewa people and all this others people, what are we all fighting for? We are fighting for good governance, but this man fighting for all Nigerians is in a jail today, and all Arewa people are happy that this man is live in prison. You have to ask yourself, what did this man did to the government and to the people of Nigeria before you start happy that this man is live in prison? You have to ask yourself, how did him become a bandit?